Hello, my name is Dr. Caronia, and I am the chairman of Pediatrics for Catholic Health. I'm here today to speak to you about childhood safety. From 8 months to 12 months of age, children begin to have more movement. They may crawl, start to walk, certainly creep, and will be easily able to get from a sitting to a crawling position. At this age, they will put anything in their mouth, and they will now be able to reach, holding on to furniture. Within a few months, you will see that they will begin to walk without support. This becomes a very important transition for your home. Each child, when you leave, should always be in a car seat. Never take them out without one. It's extremely important every time. Age-appropriate and weight-appropriate car seats. Be careful of falls. At this time, since children are beginning to walk and creep and crawl, there will be more problems with falls. So please use gates at the top and bottom of staircases so that they can't get onto stairs. And of course, keep doors closed to rooms with objects or furniture that may entice a child to climb or that would have sharp edges. Burns may become problematic in that carrying a baby or a child with hot liquids or foods while you're holding them can cause an accident. In addition, never leave containers of hot liquids or foods near the edges of tables or counters, and when cooking, turn all pot handles on the stove inward so that they do not act as something that the baby can pull themselves up with. Drowning continues to be a problem during this age group, and never leave your baby alone in a bath or around any container of water, such as buckets, wading pools, sinks, open toilets, or fish tanks. Water attracts children. Choking continues to be a hazard for this age group, and we need to be understanding of the small objects that may be within a baby's crawling area. At this age, because your baby, your child, is becoming more mobile, getting around, poisoning becomes a difficult situation to ensure that we have all of our medications, our household cleaning products are all put away out of their reach. We have to remember this, especially important when you're visiting, especially grandparents and older individuals, and looking out for their environment to ensure that medications are not within reach. Make sure to use safety latches on all of your drawers, your cupboards, anything that contains objects that may be dangerous to your child. Again, thank you very much for allowing me to speak today, and I hope that this information will help you to keep your baby safe. For further information, please visit the Catholic Health website. Thank you.